Research your market thoroughly. Before diving into any house flipping project, knowing your market inside and out is absolutely crucial. This isn't just about checking out a few listings online, it's about digging deep to understand the local real estate scene. You want to know which neighborhoods are up and coming, what types of homes are selling the fastest, and who your ideal buyers are. Whether it's families looking for starter homes or professionals hunting for sleek condos, catering to your audience is key to making the right investment decisions. Start by looking at recent sales data. What are homes in your target area selling for and how quickly? Trends can change fast, so staying updated gives you a competitive edge. Attend open houses to get a feel for what buyers are drawn to, and keep tabs on local amenities, schools, and transportation links. These factors can seriously impact a property's value and how quickly it sells once your renovations are complete. You'll also want to consider the competition. Who else is flipping in your market, and what are they doing right or wrong? By analyzing their successes and failures, you can position your property to stand out. Maybe it's about adding unique design features, offering eco-friendly upgrades, or simply pricing it more strategically. When you know what buyers are expecting, you can exceed those expectations and make your property the obvious choice. Market research isn't just a one-time task, it's an ongoing process. The more you learn, the more confident you'll be in making decisions, from buying the right property to choosing renovations that maximize appeal. Investing time in understanding the market up front can save you from costly mistakes later, turning your flip into a major win.